retracement back to structure at 50%. Structure coming in here at the lateral support. So dollar bearish, stock market bullish, but I need the market to come and test. I need the market to confirm there's a structure before I will buy. Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day. It's Tuesday, 27 August 2024. Today I'll be trading long on the New Zealand, the Aussie and the pound, and short on the yen, the euro and the US dollar. Let's kick off with the dollar index, finding support here at this Fibonacci 1.618 plus. This lateral support here, this market structure here. Didn't really test it, but for all practical purpose, I think it's a test. But I still think we're going to come down and give it a thorough test before we see some retracement. If I look at my intraday indicators, still bottom of the pile, so the dollar very weak. If I look across the board at all the charts, I can see US dollar is really weak. We got our intraday, our short term, medium term, long term, everything bearish. I'll stay short dollar until my indicators tell me different. Gold, well, we got this candle setup, which I've explained on previous videos. Please have a look there on yesterday and the day before that, last week, Friday's video. But we got the bullish engulfing piercing line scenario. We got an entry on the close there, and then I said the halfway market $2,500 levels will also be a nice entry. So let's see, stop loss down on these lows. Nothing else that we can do here. We had this triangle, the break, a strong break on a nice long white candle, the retest and a solid reversal. This is how I like them. Target wise, guys, I've showed that to you yesterday. Drawing your Fibonacci's there, you start to see targets at 25.75 and 26.30. So those are the levels that I'll be using as targets. Bitcoin and the whole crypto space yet again under pressure. Was waiting for this retracement. We had this pattern. Now I'm looking for the retest. So the retest would be the area where I get interested in this on good strong candle reversals for a little punt up the page. Once it breaks, that's first price. That's what I'm after to load up some heavily on Bitcoins. But for now, that 63, was 66, and then the 63 was the new 66, and so on, and 61 becomes an issue. As long as we can hold this pattern now, as long as we can hold above 61 on a closing basis, on a weekly and daily closing basis, I think we're still fine, and this line stays blue, I think that we are still bullish and no problem. But the retracement's good, strong break. I like the break. It's a strong break, the retest. Now the market needs to confirm that it's structured, and that can only be done by a good candle reversal. New Zealand US, I gave this trade to you on Friday last week, and we took the breakout, missed the final target. Strong candle coming up. If it breaks to a new high there, I will trail my stop loss to these lows. My mentoring program, we've got plenty more targets to the upside, but once I see a new high, basically when we hit targets here, I'll be trailing stop loss on everything on my mentoring program. Also, New Zealand still all the sparkle, dollar bottom of the pile, so I still want to be long here, so I don't want to do something stupid yet. This is my favorite to be long in, so I will sit as long as I can. So target for what we do here on YouTube, that's that level up there. Then the Nasdaq flag pattern, the breakout, that's what I'm looking for. The dollar weak, stock market bullish. So a break, I will nibble a little bit. Then the retest and the candle reversal, I'll then fill up my position there with a very tight, nice stop loss. For now, any breakout, the stop should be down here, which is quite sizable. But the flag pattern is very attractive. I like this. So definitely something I'll be watching on a weak dollar, which is very stock market bullish. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor again, Incasu. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, check out the link in the description. Then the Dow Jones, retracement back to structure at 50%. Structure coming in here at the lateral support. So dollar bearish, stock market bullish, but I need the market to come and test. I need the market to confirm there's a structure before I will buy. I want to be long here, but I'm not going to buy in on those highs. I want to buy on a decent retracement. DAX on a weak euro, which is stock market bullish, retracement back to 50% level. You can see the structure there. Market even yesterday tested that level, confirming it. But I couldn't do anything there yesterday. The euro was just too strong and there was no candle reversal, really confirming structure. Now in hindsight, yes, I can see that there is good enough structure. But at this stage, I would like the market to come and test yet again. We're right at those highs. I want to be long here, but I'm not going to buy in at those levels. I want to see a test. I want to see the bulls come to the party, regaining their territory on a strong candle reversal. Euro pound, not my favorite, but I'm still waiting for this. Euro red zone, pound green zone. So I want to be short here. So I'm looking for the retracement back to 61% FIB. Structure coming in there. We can now even widen that range and say, all right, let's use that little structure that we saw there yesterday. So any test of that level, a good solid candle reversal, I'll definitely get interested in some shorts. The US Swiss, same as yesterday. Nice swing down the page, retracement back to the Fibonacci 50-61% level. Structure coming in there. If I can get a test there and a nice candle reversal, I'll definitely look for some shorts. You can see the dollar way weaker than the Swiss franc. Swiss franc quite neutral. I'm not after the Swiss, but I'm definitely after the dollar short. And I need on the dollar index a little bit of a retracement to get this thing to push up there. But I'm not going to short this in the sideways range. I'm not going to chase it down the page. If I don't get a retracement, I will not short. But for now, that's the area I'm going to watch. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. You can support this channel by checking out all the links in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risk, so don't forget to trade responsibly and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. I can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.